Are you stuck in a trading rut? Blowing accounts, making emotional decisions, and wondering why success seems just out of reach? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to flip the script on your trading career by mastering strategy and discipline. And guess what? It's easier than you think. Stick around because this might just be the light bulb moment you've been waiting for. All right, let's be real for a second. Most of us jump into trading with dreams of financial freedom. We think, I'll crack this in a few months and retire early. Sound familiar? But then, reality hits. I've been there. My early trading days were a mess. No plan, no structure, just vibes and bad decisions. And guess what? The market loves taking money from people like that. But here's the truth. If you want to make it as a trader, you've got to stop gambling and start strategizing. Let's talk about how to do that. Think of your trading strategy like building a house. You wouldn't just grab bricks and start stacking them randomly, right? No, you'd need a blueprint. Example. Let's say you're a swing trader. Your blueprint might include identifying trends on daily charts, using moving averages or RSI to confirm entry points, setting clear stop loss and take profit levels. Here's your first step to transformation. Commit to a 90-day demo account challenge. No real money. Just you, your strategy, and learning from your mistakes. Why demo? Because it gives you a safe space to grow without the stress of losing real money. During these 90 days, track everything. Where did you place your orders? Were you too early, too late, or just emotional? Be brutally honest with yourself. Trading is like a mirror. It reflects your strengths and your weaknesses. Now, this is crucial. Never trade under stress, anger, or when you're feeling pressured. Trading is not therapy. You're not here to fix a bad day. You're here to make calculated decisions. If you're feeling emotional, stop. Go for a walk, drink some water, meditate. Do whatever helps you reset. Because emotional trading is like driving blindfolded. It's only a matter of time before you crash. Here's another golden rule. If two setups go against you, stop trading for the day. Why? Because trading is a business. If you lose money in a bad investment, would you go back and invest there again immediately? Of course not. So why do it in trading? Remember, patience is your superpower. Waiting for the right setup isn't wasting time. It's setting yourself up for success. Successful traders don't gamble. They operate like CEOs. They have plans, strategies, and they protect their capital like it's their most valuable resource. Your goal isn't to win every trade, it's to consistently grow your account over time. So, track your trades, refine your strategy, and focus on small, consistent wins. This is how you turn trading into a business. Look, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. You will make mistakes, and that's okay. What matters is learning from them and moving forward with discipline. Remember, every successful trader started exactly where you are right now. Confused, overwhelmed, and a little scared. But they didn't quit, and neither will you. So, take that first step. Start your 90-day demo, master your emotions, and follow the two-loss rule. You've got this. And when you feel like giving up, just remind yourself. Success in trading isn't luck. It's strategy and discipline. If this inspired you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips. Let's turn your dreams into reality, one disciplined trade at a time. See you in the next video.